the story of mine. I say I am one of the fireflies, and I just fly here and there. Wherever I fly, I want all of these fireflies to join me with one of my little bitty light. Cannot shine the whole world, right? But imagine if all the people in this country, this crowd right now, as that light together with mine, we can shine the whole country. And that is what I really want. And I'm hoping that it will happen that way. Because we suffer too much already. We want something better. And we deserve better. We don't have to be like this. We don't have to suffer like this when we've been born. To become a human, and we still suffer a lot. So wherever I go, I really hope that all the people who I meet along the road will join me in this mission to walk with me in spirit by practicing mindfulness every day. That by practicing the message that I share every time, today is going to be my peaceful day. That all you need to do is just write that statement down every morning when we wake up. Why it's so important when it's so simple is because when our mind is vague and when our mind has nothing to do, it will automatically pick up all the trash to chew it over and over. What are the trash? Trash means all those defilements, suffering, unhappy, and everything. I call those are trash. Everything in here. So when the mind is empty, nothing else to do, it will pick up all those and think it over and over. That is when we are overwhelmed with thoughts, and that is when we suffer. So before the mind picking up all those trash, we don't let it. We don't let it. We give ourselves a chance to be better. By getting a piece of paper out, write down the statement, today is going to be my peaceful day. It's very simple. Write that down. When the mind with the hand is pairing it with each other, by writing that, you're practicing mindfulness. And then you read it over and over with your eyes. Now your eyes and your mind is pairing with each other, practicing mindfulness, concentration. You imagine that energy, if all the people in this country and around the world repeat the same thing every morning, what's going to happen? It's because we already have been spread hate, anger, delusion, greed, and all kind of hateful things to the universe. And what goes around will comes around. That is why we've been receiving so much disasters. Suffer. Now instead of continue throwing all those hatred and hateful things into the universe, we only throw loving kindness, compassion, and peace message to the universe. So that the universe will return back with full of peace, happiness, and everything. This world will become a better place with peace will be flourished throughout this universe. By practicing that simple message every day. Because when we get ourselves ready for the day with that message, it will remind us throughout the day, easily and effectively.
Thank you.